Hey guys, I am currently getting a chair massage and I just got my eyebrows waxed. Never got my eyebrows waxed before, but it feels good. So it's just me and mommy and I. Mommy's getting her toenails done and her fingernails. So we are actually at the airport in JFK Airport in New York, and we're on our way to Nigeria, and we'll be in Nigeria for 1 week. And I thought about if I was gonna vlog this or not, and I said I wanted to, and then I asked my mom what she thought about it, and she actually encouraged me to, because this would be a good experience for me and for all of you guys out there that haven't been home in a while or have never been to Nigeria. So we're going for my uncle's funeral in Nigeria, and that's why I wasn't sure if did this lady get wax in my hair? Seriously. Sorry, but yeah, so we're going for my uncle's funeral. And yeah, I said I wasn't sure if I wanted to vlog or not. But my mom encouraged me to do it, so it would be a good experience for everybody, including myself. But yeah, all my mom's siblings that live in the United States they're actually already there. We're the last ones to come. And Keke, like, she can't come because she has to study in school, and then Junior still has school that has to take care of Junior, so it was just me and my mom, and took off work to go. And I will say that I'm kind of like nervous because of all the Boko Haram stuff that's been going on. It's kind of got me scared, but we're not going to the north, and that's where all this stuff is happening, in the north, so we'll be all right, and we have like security and stuff, so I just keep reminding myself that we'll be all right, just to keep myself calm, because I'm kind of like having like anxiety over it and stuff with safety and everything. But I hope you guys will enjoy this experience with me. I haven't been to Nigeria in 4 years, so we're looking forward to seeing all my cousins and stuff, and seeing Nigeria and how it's changed or stayed the same. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and experience Nigeria and my family and what what we're going to be doing in Nigeria with us. And I ask you guys to be respectful in comments and everything. And this is my life, so I decided to share my life, pieces of my life on YouTube. So this is life, you know. This is what people have to go through and deal with. So, but it's not gonna be. I'm not looking at it as something sad. It's a celebration of life, memories, experiences, stories. And I just look forward to seeing all my aunties and uncles and my cousins, and enjoying, remembering my uncle and everything. Because last time we saw him was in 2012, not too long ago. So I will enjoy this ride with you guys. So yeah. Anyways, let's be happy. You know, this is life. So we're flying Iric Air. So from here straight to Nigeria. So straight flight, and we'll be landing in Lagos, and then we'll be staying in Lagos for 1 night, and then heading towards the east, where my family is from, their hometown and stuff like that. to start the preparations and everything. So can't wait to see everybody. It'll be fun. So yeah, mommy's getting her nails done. Yeah, so this, like, when my mom and I finished through security and we like got into this into the international part of the JFK airport, we were like, oh wow, I really forgot how international flying is. As soon as you step in, you see like all the fancy shops, duty-free shopping, and like high-end designer everything, like perfumes and alcohol and bags and jewelry. So it's nice, it's fancy. Huh? It looks exactly like you. I don't think the color is not good. Hey guys, so we're about to leave. Bye bye US, bye bye New York. And we're on Island Air. Mommy, we're moving.
Are we?
Yeah. So I'll show you what I have in my little cubby hole over here. I have my laptop right here in my laptop bag. And then I brought my own blanket. And then
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of
neck
Air
pillow
Care, Captain
that I
Jerome,
bought.
and our entire crew, I would like to wish you a very warm welcome
And
from
then
the
I have
Everest
my scarf that I was wearing. It got hot, so I took it off.
Shortly departing
And then I
for
have my
lunch.
watermelon that I
Our
cut up
flying
as a
time
snack
to
down there
Nigeria
to
will
keep
be
it cold.
9 hours and 14 minutes at the cruising altitude of
Here's my bag in here,
38,000
and I think I'm gonna do when I get
Preparation for
to
departure, please
hotel
ensure
in
that
Nigeria,
your
I'm gonna
seat
do
belts are in the upright
what's in
position
my
with the
carry.
armrests
I
down.
filmed the
The
what's
tray
in my.
tables,
Hopefully you
leg
guys can hear
rests,
me.
individual
Hold on a second.
TV monitors are still.
Okay, so yeah, I filmed a what's in my suitcase, and then I'm gonna film a what's in my carry-on. I thought I could have time to film it at the airport, but I didn't. So when we get to Nigeria, I'll film that, and I'll do a what's in my bag. So yeah, so we're leaving, and I'm excited, nervous, anxious, interested. So yeah. They have our little TVs, kind of steamy, and I think they have Nigerian movies on here, and then hopefully they have some American movies, because I do want to watch some American movies. So I'm just crossing my fingers for a good selection, because I don't have Netflix, and I kind of want to be entertained. Did you have something to say? Are you ready, Mommy?
I was ready. I said, can I have a beer? What else do you want me to do?
Alright. Yeah, and our flight isn't too full, so it's not too crowded, which is good. Makes me feel more comfortable. I can like walk around and like do things and stuff. So yeah. There's Air India. Air India. And our flight, Mommy, they said 9 hours and 40 minutes.
40 minutes, yeah. I thought it's, well,
That's
about
not
10
too
hours.
bad, because that's like flying to Hawaii, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's like flying to Hawaii. Alright, so we'll see you guys. So, Mommy, we'll see them in Nigeria, right?
Who?
Them. Watch it. We'll see them in Nigeria. Like next time we'll see us, we'll go to Nigeria.
Oh.
So we'll see you guys in Nigeria.
Okay, yeah, I get it. Yeah, see you.
Wait, do you know if they're going to be serving food? Like PC and stuff?
If they're gonna be serving that,
Yeah.
yeah. I believe you see.
Really? No, like on the plane?
Oh, yeah. Jollof rice.
see you guys in Nigeria. Bye. I'm gonna say bye. Swollen. Just noticed it. Like when I changed and put shorts on, I looked at my ankles and I was like, my legs don't look normal. And I saw it and I was like, they're just really big. Like my legs, my calves and my ankles are usually this big, but they're big. See that? Hey guys, so we are at the local airport that's close to the international airport, and we are flying to the east, the south, flying to the southeast, and then it's going to be like where we're like, what's so funny? So we're flying to the southeast, to the east, where like where we'll be staying and like where my family's from, where our house is and everything like that. And so we're waiting for a flight. And then my aunties are laughing at me because I'm vlogging myself. What's so funny? I don't know. Anyways, this is kind of funny. Huh? Yeah, you're already on there. So yeah, so our flight is really soon. Okay, good. But yeah, I noticed that my ankles and my calves are like swollen, but they're good. Huh? I'm gonna have a little snack. And right now it's like almost 8:30 in the morning, and I think it's like after 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, like after 2 a.m. in the U.S. right now, and I'm like really tired. It's like my bedtime right now, and I'm very tired. I'm trying to stay up. Today just started, we have a lot that we're doing, so. A little snacky. It's hot, but it feels good.
Why is it hot in Lagos?
It wasn't. Well, maybe because it was raining there. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Because we gotta claim our baggage. So we got our pickup, and now we're gonna head to where we're staying at for Nigeria. And we're leaving the airport. And it's much hotter here than it was in Lagos. Like, because when I was in Lagos, I still had like my leggings and my sweater on and a scarf, and I was like, okay. But I almost didn't change, so I thought it would be the same here, but I changed. And when we got here, it was blazing. So it was really hot here. The sun is out. So yeah, so we're on our way. Smooth transition. And our flight, of course, Nigerian time, our flight from Lagos to here was 4 hours late. So we're finally here. Yeah. So enjoy the scenic route of Nigeria, and we're in Asaba. So
Okay. So I'm gonna one white guy on the South Africa and the another airplane. I guess one TV na look picture.
The bridge in Ghana.
Moto, what about? Also, see, I do it. Nyama de onya fulani. How are you?
Yeah. Onya na project. Okay.
Get it? Okay. I'll give one bonye bi moji. Man no moji, yeah. Onya back here, boy.
It's your one.
Okay. Oh, that's your one.
Mommy, where are you going?
Who's that there? Mayor, eh?
Mommy, where are we?
My mom's house, my mom's apartment in the Onisha.
What's out here?
Onisha. That's backyard. It's all fenced in. You can go out. All security barbed up. Yeah. Security barbed up.
Do you have gifts?
Yeah. Some things. Complex, the other, the other. Ibuprofen. The top of the cafe and that. That is strong, and or go wife is seeing it. Now the strong and I will forget when I am more Santa. Ibuprofen. Half a teacher here. Calcium carbon.
Oh yeah. How the quack biscuit?
Candy. That feel not interesting. Nigga, nail tea and I like it, not here. It is young Indians, only that not, yeah, Pazia, Dica, biscuit, and Laja. Yeah, going over like it. Fana Tata. Chocolate cookie. Yeah, it was a complex, Mama. It was for me in a box, easy way.
So we went to go visit Grandma and spend some time with her. And we came back, I had a little nap, and now we're having dinner. And I can't wait to go to bed tonight. What time is it, Mom? It's like 7:30 right now.
Yeah, 7:30 something.
7:43, 2:43 p.m. in the U.S. So yeah, let's have some dinner. Okay, where are we?
Ose market. In Onisha.
Okay.
Ose.
Yeah, we're walking down to Main Market right now. Yeah. So this is the street we're on.
And with all the seasonableness of righteousness in them that perish, because they receive not the word of faith, that they might be saved. Hallelujah. Amen. 11. And for this cause God shall send them strong delusion, that they should believe a lie.
The coming of the great one, the coming of Jesus, shall be
enjoy going.
So we're at like the main marketplace right now. And there's like shoes and bags everywhere. And the last time I was here was... Mom, the last time we were here was the 90s, right? 2001. That's the last time I was at this market. And it's the first time I've been back. And it's really, really crazy and busy here.
What are you doing?
Somebody asked me what I'm doing. What are you doing?
I don't mind you.
I'm vlogging. So we stopped at a restaurant real quick to get some drinks and to find someone to exchange money for us, because we have just dollars and we need naira to go shopping and we need more. So yeah, this is a really nice restaurant though. In the middle of the So right now we're like in another part of the market. There's all this stuff here. When I went to the Bahamas, when I was in January, I went to the Bahamas on a cruise. When we got off the cruise and we went shopping, it was exactly like this. Because when I got off the boat, I was telling Erica, I was like, I feel like I'm in Nigeria right now. This is how exactly it was. If
make a like it. What the guy's not. You're making a popular. You want to go purple?
Oh, I wanted the with the shine on it.
Remember now, she be able you can bless you. She be able to like purple. She be able to like purple.
What about it?
Okay, money will be
Well, it's not a style that I want. I want this. This one.
I'm an obvious.
Okay. One.
So we finished shopping. We bought fabric and everything. So now we're back to.
You are in what's
Back to
Keke?
this is our
whatever. Keke?
Keke. This is called Keke that we're in. Little box.
Small. Okay.
Just what happened? I have this in the bag.
Okay, no,